We rise above the Bay of Kotor. Towering mountains cradle the still, glassy water. The view feels timeless, quiet, peaceful. A winding road climbs along the cliffs. From above, the bay looks almost like a lake. And there, a small island, crowned by a tiny church in the middle. Now we move along the coast. Waves crash against rugged rocks below. Ahead, a town reveals itself, perched on the edge of the sea. Budva's old town comes into view. Ancient stone walls, orange rooftops, all surrounded by deep blue water. Just off the coast lies Sveti Nikola Island. A blanket of pine trees covers its hills. Sandy beaches stretch at its edge. The drone circles slowly. From above, it feels like something out of a dream. The water shimmers, bright, clear, alive. Ahead, the coastline stretches endlessly. Mountains rise on one side. The Adriatic spreads open on the other. Flying further south, something new appears. A small island resort, Sveti Stefan, its warm-colored houses clustered tightly together, rising from the sea. A thin sandy path connects it to the mainland. This is Montenegro from the sky. A land of colors, calm and beauty everlasting.